Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for insurance. What is call tracking? With call tracking, you'll know before you even pick up the phone. Better yet, you'll have powerful analytics around which ads, campaigns, or search terms inspire your best leads to reach out, so you can invest more into the marketing that moves your business forward. Smarter marketing stat. When you're focused on patient care, it's hard to maintain the health of your marketing program. That's how so many healthcare providers miss more opportunities than they realize. What is HIPAA-compliant call tracking for healthcare organizations? CallRail's Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act-compliant call tracking plans help covered entities and the marketing agencies, serving them to maintain compliance with regulations set forth by Hippa and Hitech. Why is HIPAA-compliant call tracking necessary? Calls between healthcare providers and patients often involve discussion of personal issues and medical history. With Lead Center, you can sell, text, and chat from one easy-to-use form inbox. Combined with our analytics suite, you'll also have the real-time visibility to know which marketing sources are making your phone ring. Add Lead Center to unlock the complete CallRail platform. 10 local numbers, 1,000 form submissions, 10,000 transcription minutes, unlimited softphone minutes, unlimited SMS text messages. Report on all touchpoints without platform bias. CallRail objectively tracks the impact of each touchpoint in the customer journey, including ads, organic searches, direct mail, and much more. You can then package that data into easy-to-interpret reports that prove the value of your work to your clients. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.